Akashbani Imphal Lanthokchari Paugi Saktam Saktam Masida Manipurda SpiceJet ki flight service haudokiba National Road Safety Month loisan kiba Malemgi radio numit loingai ni lisingani kuntaruk amasung paugi saktamda Ukhrul Jilagi pauta Imphal dagi Guwahati Kolkata amadi Mumbai da paigidaba SpiceJet ki flight service Mukhyamantri Yumnam Khemsana Imphal gi Bir Tiken Transit International Airport ta leibak popo numit haudokhi Thoromadu da wangangda Mukhyamantri nai passenger bus tongduna Manipur gi mapanda sana bohonabada miyamna khudong sadaba sing mayok na ringai cherekta SpiceJet na makoi gi flight service lehelakpa si thoidokna thaganingai ni anoba thorang asina miyam gi sathok chasinda hena khudong sahalagani magna hai
सबसे पहले मैं भारत के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी को धन्यवाद करूंगी क्योंकि विकसित भारत में विकसित मणिपुर भी होना चाहिए तो इस बात के लिए कि अभी नेशनल हाईवे में बसेस बहुत दिक्कत से जा रहा है तो एवरीवन इज गोइंग बाय हियर तो इस समय में स्पाइसजेट ने मणिपुर के लिए 4 फ्लाइट बढ़ा दिया 2 गुवाहाटी का 2 कोलकाता का तो अभी मेरे सामने हमारा एमपी साहब ने भी कह चुका है कि थोड़ा टिकट की प्राइस की ध्यान रखिएगा
Tha amasum satharakpa National Road Safety Month sagol sa numital loisinkhre Imphal gi City Convention Center da pangthokiba loisinbegi thoromda saruk yaraduna Mukhyamantri Yumnam Khemsana hai matam sangna semjen bidraba lambi sing semjenaba masung lambi gi khudongthiba thodok sing hanthanaba ma ki sarkar na soidana honagani lambi gi khudongthiba yariba makai thondanaba tangai phadaba thabak sing paikhitkani Mukhyamantri na hai
sai imanaga mi lusna road safety gi तांदल में नगार होगिना कोई पार्ट अमा अनो सरकार लाकुसना मतें बागवे आबाबू सेमजन साजन लेरी लंबी में हमसी सेमजन लगादा लंबी नुआई तभी एक्सीडेंट दो कोगा को पुलिस लगे हायर गांदा में आदमी लुसिन जब यासन लोजे
सही खुदिंग की पांगथोकपगु मालेम की रेडियो नुमित इराई नुमित पांगथोखी UNESCO na English ngani taramathoi gi November 3 da phamkhiba 53 suba mifamna February 13 bu malem gi radio numit haina pangthokna ba warep lokhibani kumsi sehi gi palan thoromasi gi hiramdi radio and artificial intelligence AI is a tool not a voice haibasini Akashbani Imphal da su malem gi radio numit thorom pangthokhi thoromatu da wangang bada Akashbani Imphal gi director engineering Nongmaithem Nandakumar na hai
Theme of this World Radio Days here koi radio and artificial intelligence saibne adon hana di artificial intelligence se downside cons sing se leiba maramna akoi radio da television da AI gi my content mayam sina thabak ta content sings dai da dilution la kanen my khanarame ado hujikti amo UNESCO sen haisi ethical use of AI now jikman palaise in order to improve the standard of praja gi natra miyoiba gi kanaba natra transparently use tawtarga di AI ji tool oina sinaba yai haibini UNESCO na haisi aduna akoi Akashbani Imphal di AI sina dana tongan tongan ba remote monitoring system ama akoi Akashbani na sajaba lai sisna to state mayam da su masi implement tawnaba akoi request lady admain tawdan tongan ba khoi software habi 24/7 streaming is software me ama Akashbani na saba sisu tongan ba states including khoi Chennai and all northeastern states they implement tawna ba dumba pandam lay within 2 months da aduna Manipuri first haibagi si pandam ne khoi Akashbani Imphal na tawjari si aduna yam mangjin thana khoi gi tongan ba medium da Akashbani Imphal na medium web FM da natana hoji khoi gi footprint si live streaming lay bidagi di 24/7 streaming gi sidagi di khoi global khoi gi footprint leire
Nagagi marumarang hunbagi kumai loingai ni mausadagi sanarakpa mawangda ngasi pangthokli
Alu phokta ninga injene mansai lung puisan sonite aman manga nai me kom saubam ni tuai aha nagam goi ding san dum dan luma pudiai now sunu nu bagai lui ngai ni ngai su ni ngai ni dai awi
Mapung oiba thoram state level organizing committee na sinduna Ukhrul headquarters ground da pangthokhi. Thoromatu da wangang bada Nagaland gi Mukhyamantri Naiphiu Riwana hai loingai ni asi sumnagi sanskriti gi oiba kumai ama nate masi hana kari oirami amadi haujikna kari oiri haibadu hanna yengsinabagi thoram amani. Aikoina maru marang hunba khakta natana unity, wisdom amasung responsibility gi maru su hunnabu honagadabani.
As we gathered here, not merely to observe a festival, but to reaffirm who we are as a people. To remember our forefathers who planted seeds, not only in the soil, but in our collective soul. To renew our bonds with one another and to pray for abundance in our fields. Strength in our communities and hope for our future and our destiny. I wish to place on record my sincere appreciation to the UNC under the aegis of the celebration and also the state level organization committee, and not forgetting our wonderful host Tangkung Long, Mr. Swart Basung and his for organizing this massive and meaningful under the inspiration theme, Cultural Renaissance.
Akashbani Imphal gi pau gi saktam da aikhoi gi Ukhrul paumi Sothing Simrena Ukhrul jilla gi matang da piba pauta.
Ukhrul jilla ki mi mayam da yam kuina ngai graba Shiroi Heritage Project si huchikti pangthok na ba shem share. Government of India na Special Assistance to State for Capital Investment SASKI scheme ki makhata pithok pa rupees 65 crore mega project ase Shiroi ki wangayan lunghar ki chorcheng amasung humpung ki bakshi crown mafam ahom si da paikhat kani. Shiroi Lily Festival matam da jehi kuting musical concert She Rock Pangthok Pham Bakshi Crown asida permanent structure shakani adventure sports Pangthok Pham Chorcheng the infrastructure marangkai na sharakani amasung Shiroi Chingi Futhir Wangayanda Guest House Hotel Loinana Museum shakani. Shiroi Heritage Mega Project asi Ukhrul ki DRTA Makhada BIPR na paikhat kani project asi 36 months timeline project oi loinana March 2026 manungda hauna makan na shem shado na lei kumsi ki March sa haupa ngamradi 2029 March da loishin gadapani Malem ki mafam katai da shu hautapa Manipur ki state flower Shiroi Lily ki mingda jahi khuting pangthok pa Shiroi Lily Festival hena mapung phana ba shamkhat kataba Shiroi Heritage Project kanaba si DRTA Ukhrul ki chairman shu oiripa Ukhrul ki deputy commissioner Assis Tasna ashum hai.
So every year we are making like makeshift arrangements in Shiroi festival and which crores of rupees, like from government also, from the people also, crores of rupees have to spend every year for the makeshift facilities. So Shiroi is kind of 5 days seasonal festival. At that time, like all the people, all the vendors, all the homestay owners, hotel owners are benefiting. But with the Shiroi Heritage Project, so it will be like a all year. It will be like a 365 days festival. So every time they can come, they can be part of something, they can do the trekking. So that is the idea.
Shiroi Heritage Project paikhat pasi Manipur the tourism industry chathok hanba ki maru oiba project ama oi. Tourism industry asi hujiki matam sida yamna popular oiba amasong lucrative oiba industry ama oi. Northeast India da Meghalaya state sina tourism industry ki matang da khwaita ki advance oi. Si maru oina nature environment khak natana government support amasong people's interest and initiative leiba kini haibayai. Manipur da shu hujikti tourism industry si mathang chawkhatlak ba hauri. Ukhrul ki tourism potentials loinana Shiroi Heritage Project paikhat paga loinana tourism industry chathok na ba connectivity ki matang da Ukhrul ki deputy commissioner Assis Tasna ashum phongthoki.
We have good soil and we have proper land, and another is tourism. We cannot expect industries to come here and do some manufacturing. Of course, that may happen, but our economy cannot be focused on these kind of things, industries, manufacturing. We have to focus on value addition of agriculture, value addition of horticulture. Next is tourism. If Ukhrul is thriving, developing because of these three, probably like horticulture and agriculture you can combine in one sector, and tourism is another sector. These are the two sectors which have the potential to transform Ukhrul drastically. See, when tourists are coming, they are not just coming and going. They'll purchase things also. So wherever it is they are coming, so our products are also like can be showcased. So that is also another potential. See, if every year people are coming for Shiroi, and like how many stalls we can construct, and every village may have one stall there. These kind of things, like it will drastically, significantly improve the economy of Ukhrul. Not just that, once it is there, we can ask for supplementary projects. It should have a meaning. Like some random projects which does not connect with one another is not useful. So what are the projects which is complementary? So we will connect with other tourism locations with Shurai circuit. Some locations are there in Kamchong and some other are in Ukhrul. So we will connect with them properly.
Chahi khuting pangthokpa Manipur da tariba Naga Jati Singh ki apunba sitsoing festival luingai ni kumsishu Ukhrul da mapung fa na pangthokri luingai ni pangthokpa ki matang da United Naga Council ki General Secretary amasung state level luingai ni organizing committee ki member ayo chatsang na asung phongthoki
luingai ni haibiki meaning she tribe uhumdigi lauraga thonbani lui haibisina tangkhuluki luire haida thonba maming adudigi laubani ngai haibisina kangai haiba ichin naurong mai khoigi harau kumaidigi laubani ni sina chithuni haibise mau ki sitsoing festival ki mingdigi lauraga 1986 ta ahalaman mayam pullaga maming she thonbirambani adudigi hauna every 15 February da apunbagi harau kumai se tarurga leiri luingai ni haiba harau kumai se akoigi history akoigi custom akoigi identity akoigi moral values akoigi rich cultural heritage mayam se reclaim taunanaba celebrate every year daujabani
Matang asida Akashbani Imphal gi I pau kangbune puthokpa sayol gi pau gi saktam loizare khomjin bamusung puthokpa Thokchom Zogendrajit tengbang ba Thokchom Barun Lijakhiba Maibam Dwijamani